wants to come back, we will be waiting for it. I'm going to set an alert right now. We need to get below the 30 mark, though, for sure. Probably need about a 50-cent break for that to even start to be considered. Splunk had a nice move to the upside. We'll set that alert. Need to get that below the 142 area. VMW, again, that taking off. These markets are going to be so darn wide. If we do, we need them to settle in earlier, or later, excuse me. IQ has almost covered its own gap, but we're going to keep that off the board. Nordstrom has already, look at that. Let me pull this in for you. Gap up, put in that high at 48.87, and now it's trading 46.91. So that's already taken care of itself.